Computer networking. Computer networking. A computer network is a set of computers sharing resources located on or provided by network nodes. The computers use common communication protocols over digital interconnections to communicate with each other. Refers to connected computing devices, such as laptops, desktops, servers, smartphones, and tablets. Refers to interconnected computing devices that can exchange data and share resources with each other. Network devices use a system of rules, called communications protocols, to transmit information over physical or wireless technologies. Basic computer network diagram. Types of computer networking. Local area networks. LANs connect computers and peripheral devices in a limited physical area, such as a business office, laboratory, or college campus, by means of links, wires, Ethernet cables, fiber optics, Wi-Fi, that transmit data rapidly. A typical LAN consists of 2 or more personal computers, printers, and high-capacity disk storage devices called file servers, which enable each computer on the network to access a common set of files. LAN operating system software, which interprets input and instructs network devices, allows users to communicate with each other, share the printers and storage equipment, and simultaneously access centrally located processors, data, or programs, instruction sets. LAN users may also access other LANs or tap into ones. LANs with similar architectures are linked by bridges, which act as transfer points. LANs with different architectures are linked by gateways, which convert data as it passes between systems. Local area network. Wide area networks. Ones connect computers and smaller networks to larger networks over greater geographic areas, including different continents. They may link the computers by means of cables, optical fibers, or satellites, but their users commonly access the networks via a modem, a device that allows computers to communicate over telephone lines. The largest one is the Internet, a collection of networks and gateways linking billions of computer users on every continent. Wide area network. Enterprise network. A network built for a large organization, typically called an enterprise, needs to fulfill exacting requirements. Since networking is crucial for any modern enterprise to function, enterprise networks must be highly available, scalable, and robust. These networks have tools that enable network engineers and operators to design, deploy, debug, and remediate them. Enterprise network. Service provider network. Service providers operate ones to provide connectivity to individual users or organizations. They may offer simple connectivity in the form of leased lines, or more advanced, managed services to enterprises. Service providers also supply internet and cellular connectivity to their customers. Service provider network. How does a computer network work? Nodes and links are the basic building blocks in computer networking. A network node may be data, communication equipment, DE, such as a modem, hub or switch, or data terminal equipment, DE, such as 2 or more computers and printers. A link refers to the transmission media connecting two nodes. Links may be physical, like cable wires or optical fibers, or free space used by wireless networks. In a working computer network, nodes follow a set of rules or protocols that define how to send and receive electronic data via the links. The computer network architecture defines the design of these physical and logical components. It provides the specifications for the network's physical components, functional organization, protocols, and procedures. While switches and routers differ in several ways, one key difference is how they identify end devices. Layer 2 switch uniquely identifies a device by its burned-in MAC address. A Layer 2 router uniquely identifies a device network connection with a network-assigned IP address. Today, most switches include some level of routing functionality, MAC and IP addresses uniquely defined devices and network connections, respectively, in a network. MAC address is a number assigned to a network interface card (NIC) by a device manufacturer. An IP address is a number assigned to a network connection.
What do computer networks do? Computer networks were first created in the late 1950s for use in the military and defense. They were initially used to transmit data over telephone line and had limited commercial and scientific applications. With the advent of internet technologies, a computer network has become indispensable for enterprises. Modern-day network solutions deliver more than connectivity. They are critical for the digital transformation and success of businesses today. Underlying network capabilities have become more programmable, automated, and secure. Modern computer networks can operate virtually. Black circle the underlying physical network infrastructure can be logically partitioned to create multiple overlay networks. In an overlay computer network, the nodes are virtually linked, and data can be transmitted between them through multiple physical paths. For example, many enterprises' networks are overlaid on the Internet. Integrate on a large scale. Black circle modern networking services connect physically distributed computer networks. These services can optimize network functions through automation and monitoring to create one large-scale, high-performance network. Network services can be scaled up or down based on demand. Respond quickly to changing conditions. Black circle many computer networks are software-defined. Traffic can be routed and controlled centrally using a digital interface. These computer networks support virtual traffic management. Provide data security. Black circle all networking solutions come with inbuilt security features like encryption and access control. Third-party solutions like antivirus software, firewalls, and anti-malware can be integrated to make the network more secure. What do co-RKS do? PDF